Happy New Year, friends. Hope you are doing well. In this new year, I am going to start a new video series where I am going to discuss all my freelance 3D projects, local and international 3D projects, client and job oriented 3D projects that I have completed in previous year 2020. So friends, stay connected and please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's begin. Okay friends, so here again we have to use the bend modifier to make a turn over here from this edge. So what I'm gonna do, I will make a copy of the bend modifier which I have used before. Okay, and again I will paste over here, and just I have to move the bend modifier to side and turn it around like this, 90°. Alright, here we have to bend like this. Careful with over here. Okay, little bit of adjustment we have to make. I think this much is okay, and then we have to adjust a bit. Let's go to the top view. This much is fine. Perspective 3. And then later on we will make some tweak adjustment over here wherever is needed. I think we are done over here, so I will take editable poly and try to build the vertices wherever it is needed, but obviously I start with over here from the top portion. हाँ निकालो. Interesting. हाँ आ रहे. Let's isolate this and make the adjustment. At the end we're going to adjust this portion over here and over here. For the time being we'll leave as it is. Let's see the bottom. I will create this portion once again. First let's see turbo smooth. Okay. Let's come out of the isolate mode. Here we have, so let's make a copy of this just for the comparison instance. If I need any sort of changes I can do it over here. Just for quick check. So this port is this one is bottom one, yes, this one over here. This will be my center port. This one. I think we are good so far. It's coming proper. Okay. So we are good so far. Only thing I have to tweak this a bit over here. You can see it's not coming proper, so at the final I'm going to tweak this one. As of now I will leave it as it is. First we solve this portion at the bottom. Take another editor poly, take the face. I will delete this portion, I will recreate it. Angle, delete, so that I get a complete one flow of edge over here. Select edge, double click, right? That's what I got. Then R, and with the help of shift just drag, alright. I'll give it as it is. Three, I will take the border, and then 2, so I select this, Alt, perspective 3. Help us scale to this edge, adjust a bit so that it come in one straight line. Same I will do over here also. Plus 3 2 W. Deselect everything. This one should be one straight line. Press R. Just adjust a bit. Alright, so here it's going to be symmetry, and from here it's going to be symmetry. But before doing symmetry, I have to take care of this star edges over here. I'm gonna solve that. It will be easy over here. Easily we can solve this thing. Okay. Okay friend, so here we are done with the half portion of our model, and now we have to fine tweak our model because it's looking good, but somewhere you can see like over here the edges are not proper over here also. Okay, one thing always remember, the star edges over here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 edges are connected to one vertices. So if it's come in a plane where there is no foldings, it will not be fold from here, it will be straight as it is, then it will work, it will okay, it will not create any problem. But if the same situation appears at the edges where the this model has to fold, see over here, then it will create a problem. Then you have to do something with the edges. Then you have to rearrange the edges in a proper way. You can see over here it's create a problem. Same thing goes over here also. Here it is creating a star edges at the corner, and over here also the area where the model is going to be fold. So we have to take care of these edges. We have to reconstruct the edges in a proper way. Okay, so from here I will take a table poly. I'll take vertices, and from here I will take cut. I will create a new proper flow edges over here. Okay, very simple, just click and connect edges. Before deleting the extra this problem edges, create new edges so that it will hold the face together. Okay, it's done. Same thing goes with this edge. Try to create at the center of the edge. Okay, here also. Okay, W 2 2. Now this one extra problem edges we have to remove. Control and backspace. One vertices. Now we see how it is looking. It's much better. Now just we have to adjust the edges a bit so that it go with the flow. Here also, just to maintain the flow, and we are good. See, it is looking much better now. Okay, we are done over here. Same thing we'll do for this corner also. Again we will go for cut option, and here is forming a star, so I will create a edge, a proper edge over here. Okay, same thing over here. I'll create an edge from this to this and this. Okay, done. again for this one. Okay, this let me see. Okay, suppose you are not getting an idea from where you create the edges. Create one or two edges and try to one or two extra proper edges and try to remove the problem edges. I will press 2 and this control backspace. This and this control backspace 1. Okay, control backspace. Little bit I will try to adjust the vertices. Now I will check the edge flow. I think it's proper now. When I will apply the turbo smooth, then this blank portion will be covered. Let me see. Yeah, it's good. It's looking good. This portion I have to adjust a bit, and this one also. Okay, no problem. Okay, one more was there. What is okay? This person, yes. This portion is also getting a problem, so I have to create a new edges over here. I will take the cut option and I will create proper edge over here and here also, and here also. Same thing with this portion. 2 and okay, it's proper now. Let's apply turbo smooth and see how it's looking. Much better. Before creating the symmetry of it, I will little bit of fine tune this portion or the portion over here. Let me show you how we're going to do that. We apply Adhere Poly on top of Turbo Smooth, and we will use soft selection option. What it says, soft selection, and for example we'll select this vertices over here, and with the help of fall off we will move, make a somewhat adjustment like this. Click here and make adjustment like this. Okay, randomly just click and adjust a bit with the help of fall off. So that it will look ununiform. It should not be uniformly done. Randomly here and there, just adjust a bit with the help of this soft selection and fall off. Just randomly I will do it. Okay, it's done now. Let's see how it's looking. Yeah, good. We're good so far. Just I'll make a copy of it, bring it over here so that I can see like this. Just looking. Okay. This portion and this portion. Yeah. It's a little bit out. I have to create. I have to bring the vertices a little bit out. And like this. Okay, done. Here also a little bit ununiformness at the bottom. I will create. Good. Nice. So I'm happy with the result. Yes, we are good. Now just we have to create symmetry. Okay, we are good so far. So now to create the symmetry, I have to turn off my turbo smooth. Okay, and I will isolate it. I will see my center portion. Go to top. Try to create at the center. I will bring my object at the center with the help of snapping tool. Click here, vertices and grid point. Okay, so just drag so that it will snap to the center. Okay, top. You can pivot to the center of the grid. Off the snapping. Mirror. I will say copy because I have to merge it. Perspective. Good. I have to merge the vertices, so I just make a copy of it. And yep. Attach this. Again we have to merge the vertices. take editor poly 1. It's not merge. Let's try with the edges first. Press 2, F3, deselect, extra edges, only the center edges I want. And then weld. F3, I have a quick check. Turbo smooth. Just quickly I will say if all the vertices are properly welded. Yes, all the vertices are properly welded over here. One thing more, here you will see all the bottom, these pores are looking very similar, same. So we just randomly make it a little different over here. Okay, just randomly select the pores and the edges and try to make it look little different. Okay. Now this is different than this one. Okay, just to create a different variety of this pose. It should not be the same thing repeated again and again. Little difference would be there. Okay, the same thing I'm gonna repeat for every other thing. Again I go to edges, select the edges and try to create different some sort of this. Again I will skip this one. I will come here. I will select this, just randomly. Okay, and this one, drag it a bit. I will skip this and again I will come over here. And randomly I will arrange that somewhat like this. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, much better. A different variety of pores we can see at the bottom. Okay, we are done. After this smooth, we have to make a copy of this. Can we go for mirror? F4. Funny. Smooth off. And then touch this one. Again, the vertices. I have to build the vertices. I will press 3. Then control and this. Then take the vertices and go on top Remove the extra vertices. Perspective Z F3. Remove the extra vertices like this and this. And here we go for weld. Okay, let's try turbo smooth and see if everything goes well. The center portion, okay. I start with from the here. It's good, everything is weld over here. Okay. Let's check. So I think we are done. All the vertices are properly welded, or the edges are properly welded. And if you think that it is looking very similar, the pores, the surface is looking very similar, then already I told you, with the help of soft selection, let me show you. With the help of soft selection we can make a little bit of uneven surface. Take soft selection from here, select any vertices and just randomly make a little changes so that it look little different, should not be uniform. Okay, something like this. Play with the follow and make a little changes so that it don't look same. There must be some variety over here, like this. Randomly just select it, adjust it. So here we are done with the model. Just quickly I will check it. Let's compare with our reference image. Just two. This pose is this one, this one. Okay. All the poles are at proper place. Okay, now the side view. For side view I will make a copy instance in case if I have to make any sort of changes, it can be easily done. Okay, this and this one, just keep it side by side and just have a look. This is the center portion, this is center portion. This is looking very similar, both of it. I have to make a little bit of changes, should not look same. Anywhere this one edges, a bit is just coming out over here also. That I will do with the help of soft selection. Here looking like a star over here. I'll do something for it here. Just click and move a bit. Just click, move a bit, and we are done. And this portion, F4, we'll take 2. Soft selection off. This should not look same as in this the other side. I have to make it a little different. Take vertices and we are done. Yes, let's try turbo smooth. Oh, I cannot use this turbo smooth. I have to use another turbo smooth. Now it's done. See, there is a difference. So just fine tweak, you have to do a little bit as per your need. If you want there should be more fine tweak, you can adjust it more so that it look more natural, bunch or bulk or more natural. This edge flow or this creases look more natural. You can always select your vertices or edges and make a fine tune. As of now I'm leaving as it is. Last thing I have to create is this small buttons over here. It's very easy. I will create 1 or 2 buttons and I will let you know. I will just show you over here. See, it's make a clone of that. So it's done. For sofa model is selected. I will take a box to create this button. Go to front view, F3, just create a small box. You can create this small button with the help of a sphere also, but I prefer to make with box. And then turbo smooth. See, 2 times. It's done. Make it 1 times. Make it ideal poly so that we can delete the back portion of it. Fine. This one. Okay. Now to make it smooth, again we have to apply turbo smooth. So we are done with the button. It's done. See, button is ready. 4 and just make it white point at the center of the object. Adjust a bit. Alright, go to front view and just copy it out everywhere instance so that we can change later on if needed. So it's very easy, just create a button and move it everywhere wherever it's needed. So I'm not going to cover everything. It's very simple. You can do that. It will look somewhat like this. Okay, one more thing I would like to show over here. Let me get back my reference box over here. So this is my reference box. So just bring it aside. So this is my reference box with the proper dimension. If you remember, 22 inches by 51 inches by 16 inches. The input which I got from my client is this, and I have to make my sofa as per this reference which my client gave me. So I will finally, last thing I would like to show you how to make a fine tune so that it match exactly the reference that we have got from the client. So suppose you created this small buttons, group it all. Okay, suppose I had completed this, and what I will do, I will select everything and I will just go to a proper layer, sofa layer. Okay, and I will group everything. Okay, fit pivot, center to group pivot. Okay, now you just have to keep it on top of the reference image. Adjust a bit. I'm sorry, reference, not reference image, but reference box. And then just apply FFD modifier. Press 1 for the vertices and adjust a bit so that it matches the reference box, the dimension of the box, to make it exact the same size of as the client has mentioned us. Okay, perspective Z, we go to front view. Here also little bit of adjustment is needed, and we are done. Perspective Z, F3. See, now our model, the sofa model, exactly the shape of the box as client has provided us. Okay, so we are done.